Hey you! I know, it's me, Queen Justine. Welcome to the channel. How you doing? So today, guess what we are doing? Kidding, you already read the title, you know what's exactly happening today. I'ma say it anyway. Today I am cutting my hair by myself for the first time ever. But because I also don't want to look like an idiot, I'm going to be following Brad Mondo's Guide to Cutting Your Own Hair tutorial. That's right, you are looking at temporary Miss Queen. So yeah, I haven't had my hair cut in maybe 9 months because I'm too busy being poor and can't afford to get it cut. So that leads us to today. So I thought, what better time to start cutting my own hair than right now when I have to stay home anyway and no one else can see it. You know, except my entire squad of 20 subscribers. Anyway, so I hope you enjoy watching me possibly ruin my entire hair, and let's get into the video. Okay, so before we get started, we're gonna watch the tutorial first because I think that's probably the best way I'm not gonna destroy my hair. So I'm gonna place that here. See that? Do you see that? That was magic. I just did that. I'm such a computer whiz.
We're gonna start off by doing our 4 sections. We're using 4 sections, not 2. We're gonna part our hair just like how we would part it normally. So if you part to the side, part to the side. If you part it to the middle, part it to the
So he's starting by parting Miss Quinn's hair. So I've already parted mine in the middle because that's where I wear it. Okay, so I'm gonna bring my hair part all the way down to the back. Yeah, I would say it's pretty even. So next we're gonna part this way.
Now that we have our part in the middle all set, you want to bring it all the way down to the back. We have that. We're going to then section out each of those slices into 2 more sections. So we're going to go to the top of the head and you're going to lay your comb on there and you're going to find where the apex is. That's the high point of your head, the tallest part. And I'm going to take the comb from that apex and go right behind her ear all the way down. Right there, right behind her ear.
So he told me to find my apex, so that's what I'm gonna do. But I don't think I'm very good at this. I'm gonna follow that down all the way behind my arm. Is that right? I can't tell if that's straight.
And those are our 2 sections on this side. And then you're gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. We're gonna take one of our elastics, we're gonna comb it together in our hands, and we're gonna make a little ponytail right where we want our hair cut. Make sure you're not directing the hair forward like this, okay? You want it to be right on the shoulder. So if your shoulders were there, it'd be like this, all right? You can put it up high and then you can kind of drag it down. But make sure when you're putting it in, you're not lifting this section up or down, all right? You're not going like this. You're going like this, exactly how it should lay. Make sure to keep tension on that hair at all times. So now that we have that in there, to the best of our abilities, we're gonna take this and just bring it down. If you need to, you can just drag this down a little bit to exactly where you wanna cut it. So let's do like that much hair. And it should lay nice and flat.
Okay, so I've got my section. I'm just going to do what he says and section it like with clips, except I lost my clips, so I'm gonna use a scrunchie. That'll do. Okay, then we're gonna do it the same thing to the other side. Okay, so I've got my sections, got my cute little funny floppy buns. Alright, so next it says to comb it out. And I'm going to put a little hair tie in it. That looks about right. How cute is that? Ooh. And now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And I'm going to pull that down so it's even. Okay, now I'm going to do the back sections. This is hard. Okay, so that is as straight as I can get it. It was really hard to do the back. I don't know if it's straight enough or if I didn't straighten my hair enough, but it doesn't seem to get perfect. But it's gonna have to do because these ends need to be trimmed. So let's see what else he tells us to do.
We're just gonna start cutting that hair. Just taking a little off at a time. There's our first cut. Congratulations! All right, and we can point cut down on this and take some of the bulk out. Now that we have all that done, we're gonna let these sections out and hopefully everything is perfectly even. And that is the first step. I literally, guys, have not done anything off camera to perfect this at all. All I've done is exactly what you've seen, and that's the result.
So I'm gonna take my first little section and I'm just gonna point it up like this and I'm going to cut it. Like that. Oh, look at that. I just cut my hair. This is exciting. This is my first time. Alright, so I'm going to do it to all the other ones. Okay, so this is how much we are just cut off. That's disgusting. Yuck. Okay, so he told me to take the sections out, which is the scary part, but let's see. I trust you, Brad. Oh, never had a haircut like this before. Let's see how it looks from the back. Okay, so it's not perfectly straight, which is kind of to be expected. Probably going to try and straighten her up a little bit. Thanks so much, Brad, for teaching me how to cut my hair. Hope I did you proud. Please like, comment and subscribe. Click that bell icon if you want to see a new video every time I post every Monday. Hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you next week.